Hey, how's it going? It's Bundi Baz here, and this is just a quick thing on what am I doing? Yeah, an alternator bracket rebuild. Got my Lada. The bracket was busted. I ordered a new bracket. Turned out the alternator's not the original on the car. So I made a bracket. However, it failed. Well, it works, but it doesn't hold the alternator right, so I have a rattle and a noise. So now I want to change it. I'm just going to show you. If you can come and have a look here. Okay, just quickly. An alternator bracket remodel, that's the original. Mine was broken. Yeah. So I've built a bracket because it turns out my alternator is not a Lada alternator. So what I've done, just because I have chopped it, I don't know if you can see there, but I have cut away my bracket and I have made a metal one, which was originally holding up the Lada. It was originally holding the bracket. Yeah. So that's how it sat previously, with this gap here. My alternator sits on the inside, so it doesn't really make sense. It's not the original alternator. Now what's happening is the rubber, whatever majuggy you call it, that rubber cam belt is whacking on the edge here, yeah, and making a bit of a noise. So what I've wanted to do is I want to push this bracket further away. So yeah, man, that's what I'm going to do. Just a quick look. The original bracket, this piece busted off. Yeah, I think they tried to jimmy it, and I have now come along and I've cut off on the edge of the spline, as you can see there. Yeah, and I'm going to be able to shift my alternator bracket across, which will then move my cam belt away from the bracket.